What's up, guys? Today I just got back from a walk, to be honest. Not doing much. Try to get some friends on Animal Crossing New Horizon. What I can show you guys. Just give me a couple of minutes. Is that okay with you guys? So I'm here on deposit. I'll show you my house in Animal Crossing New Horizon. Shut up. I want to sign off and I don't want to show you how much money I put in Animal Crossing New Horizon. Bye, Horizon. So I'm just getting to my house. Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't you dare leave. Oh, guys, these are my flowers I've got in my garden. Oh, no, you can't see them because of the young tree, but now you can. Surely. There's my flowers. Right there, just above my thumb. And here we go into my tent. I hope you guys saw my tent because, you know, it's classic inside. I might have sold my bed for some money and I've tidied up the whole world. And this is it. I will show you a picture of myself in Animal Crossing New Horizon. This is myself in Animal Crossing New Horizon. That's myself there. That's my game, and then I will be showing you different things, and I will be doing different things and whatever. I think I might be making a new YouTube channel called Zetro's Zetro Sports and all Zetro Fits. I think I'll go Zetro Sports, so make sure to watch that. And that's all I want to show you guys today. And subscribe. I've got 4 subscribers. Okay, I might have the same amount as someone in my class called Fear, but listen. I will, if you give me 10,000 likes before a month is up, or actually 100 hours time, I will look at this, and if this is true, I will have seen 250 likes. I will show you my video of my cousin. So, bye, Zetro Kings, and see you on my Fit channel. Bye.
Bye.
Also, that was my mum. Bye.